Hello everyone. Well, we are going to start Unit 2 today, which is about jobs and professions. See, in the Zoom class that we have today, we were talking about certain jobs and professions that the children remember. ¿Sí? Hablamos de algunas profesiones que los chicos acordaban, entre ellas dijimos police officer, que es policía, doctor, teacher, maestra, chef, un chef o un cocinero, lawyer, que es abogado, ¿sí? Y fueron tirando ideas los chicos. Then we read this exercise, which is on page de la página 18, ¿sí? Page 18, ¿sí? Pero que nosotros subimos acá en este archivo para que lo tengan los chicos. Entonces, we read, yes, and we asked the following questions. Dice, my name is Peter Thompson. I am 33 years old. I am a vet. I work in a pet shop from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. I like my job because I help animals. And I asked the children, les pregunté a los chicos, what is his name? His name is Peter Thompson. How old is he? He is 33 years old. What does he do? He is a vet. Where does he work? He works in a pet shop. What time does he work? From 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Does he like his job? Yes, he do. Why does he like his job? Because he helps animals. Then we read number 2, and it says, my name is Sarah Newton. I'm 38 years old. I am a businesswoman. I work in an office from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I write emails and have meetings with different people. I like my job. So what's her name? She is Sarah Newton. How old is she? She is 38 years old. What does she do? She's a businesswoman. A businesswoman is a person who works in a company with email, who is in an office, una mujer de negocios, ¿sí? Si quiero decir hombre de negocios, cambio woman por man. Where does she work? She works in an office. What time does she work? She works from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. What does she do in the office? She writes email and has meetings with different people. Does she like her job? Yes, she do. Yes, she does. So now we are going to revise some professions and jobs. Here we have teacher, maestra o maestro o profesor, police officer, policía, postman, cartero, waiter, mesero, vet, veterinario o veterinaria, firefighter, bombero o bombera, businesswoman, mujer de negocios. Entonces tenemos teacher, se puede usar tanto para hombre o mujer, woman and man. Police officer también. Postman, yes. Si yo quiero decir cartera, digo en vez de postman, postwoman. Waiter es el mesero que es hombre. Sí, mesero o mesera. Y waitress es mujer. Sí, la mesera. Vet, veterinaria o veterinario. Sí. Firefighter puede ser bombero o bombera. Businesswoman es mujer de negocios y businessman es hombre de negocios. Mujer u hombre de negocios. ¿Sí? Que trabaja en una empresa, etc. Y vimos las siguientes definiciones. Dice, what do you do around town? This is page 19. Lo voy a escribir por algún lado. Esto sería page 18. Voy a poner acá para aquellos que quieran buscarlo después. Page 18. Este también. And this is page 19. A ver si me deja ponerlo acá. Vamos a ponerlo acá. Bueno, después lo hago. So, it says, I work in a big restaurant near my house. De las profesiones que vimos, sí, el único que trabaja en un restaurant is a waiter. So, waiter is number 1. Then, I work in a pet shop. I help animals. She is a vet. Number 2. I work in a post office and in the streets. I deliver letters and packages. Who works in the post office? The postman. Then, I work in a fire station. Firefighter. I work in an office from 9 a.m. to 6 a.m. Businesswoman. I work in school. I teach physical education. A teacher. And the last one, I work in a police station. I sometimes work in the streets too. Police officer. All right? Great. Then we have done some other professions. The first one is a journalist, which is un periodista. Okay. Number 2, a firefighter. Que lo habíamos visto ya. Ya lo habíamos visto. Number 3, police officer. Number 4, a vet. Number 5, a scientist. Number 6, a businessman in this case, because it is a man. Number 7, a teacher. Number 8, a doctor. And here we match the exercises. It says, I deliver letters and packages. ¿Quién entrega cartas y paquetes? Alguien que trabaja en donde? In the post office and in the streets. O sea, un postman. I serve food and drinks. In where? ¿Dónde? In a restaurant. I am a waiter or a waitress. I teach math. Where do I teach math? In school. I'm a teacher. I send emails and organize meetings. In an office. I am a businessman or a businesswoman. I help animals. In a pet shop. I'm a vet. Okay? Great. So this is what we have dealt in the class. Okay? I will give you a little piece of homework. Yes. Which is this one. Which is on page 81. If I'm not mistaken. Let me check. This is 81. Yes. Page 81 from the workbook. Yes. You have here, yes, files. Tienen files que son unas fichas de cada uno que dice job, activity, and place. So what you have to do is to complete the file. Hi, I'm Chris. I am a, and the profession, yes, reporter, vet, chef, teacher. Then, I and the activity. What do I do? And then, where does the person work? ¿Dónde trabaja la persona? Okay? You have to complete this file only. All right? Well, have a beautiful day and see you later.